Hello, welcome to my simple Valentine's nail tutorial. For this look you will need clear, white, red, and silver. The first step is to shape your nails. Next, apply clear polish to all of your nails. Next, apply red polish to your pinky, pointer finger, and thumb. This red polish wasn't working well. I don't know if it was old or if it's the brand. Next, apply white polish to your ring finger. Next, put silver polish on your middle finger. For some reason it looks gold in the video, but I promise you it's silver. Next, I'm taking a silver stopper and drawing a line across my nail. Next, I'm applying clear coat across all of my nails to finish off this look. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.